sort of do 71 at great detail because 71 to 2021, the 50 years is a personal favorite. So Mr. Gavaskar says there would be meetings in Ajit Wadekar's room in the West Indies every evening, around 6 p.m. or so. And this had become a norm because, that's how Ajit Wadekar tried to relax the atmosphere in the team so that everybody could become friends with each other. There was a degree of relaxation. There's no patrician plebeian divide. There was no Maharaja. He was the first common captain. In that sense, Mansur Ali Khan Pataudi had given way to Ajit Wadekar. And one of those meetings, and people would come and have a drink. They would come and have a drink at Ajit Wadekar's room and relax. So Salim Durrani comes in and he loved his drink. So he comes in and he says to Ajit Wadekar that the next day, whenever Sir Garfield was batting, to just give the ball to him. And he says, and he said, give the ball, tell everyone that whoever, just tell Ajit, the captain, that whenever Sir Garfield is out there, he should give the ball to me. I can guarantee you I will get Sir Garfield out. And in the same vein, he goes on to say, and when the wicket falls, whatever happens, if somebody picks up the non-striker from the other end, do not go to anybody else. Give me the ball again because I will get Clive Lloyd out. So Gary Sobers and Clive Lloyd the next day are my responsibility. And if you ask Vishy sir or if you ask Sunny Bhai, they will both tell you that Salim Durrani was one of those mercurial, temperamental chaps. I mean, incredible talent. So once Salim Durrani said something with that much conviction, you believed in him. You have to go with Salim Durrani and toss up the ball to him. And that's exactly what happened in the West Indies in that test match. So Ajit Wadekar, the moment, gave it to Salim Durrani and he gets Sir Garfield out. And then he gets Clive Lloyd out. And yes, the rest of the series didn't do much. But those two wickets, he opened the doors for an Indian victory in Trinidad. And there's no question Salim Durrani will forever be remembered for his heroics with those two wickets. And Sunny Bhai says that when Uncle Salim, that's what he calls Salim Durrani, was not picked for the England series, Sunny Bhai said, of my runs, I would be perfectly fine, 774, I would be perfectly fine scoring 500 or 450, and the rest of the runs, if they could be given to Uncle Salim and if he would have made the team to England. That was the kind of bonding that Sunny Bhai and Salim Durrani had. What lovely stories. Now, Gundappa Vishwanath. Now, Gundappa Vishwanath is he's a gem. I mean, he's an absolute gem. So, Gundappa Vishwanath reiterated this drink story and he said, Salim Durrani, what talent. And then he went on to add, he talked about a zonal match, a South Zone versus Mansur Ali Khan Pataudi versus Salim Durrani, basically. It was a complete batting deck. And Salim Durrani went to Vishwanath and said, I will get him out. Whatever happens, I will get him out. And Vishwanath was like, on this kind of a batting wicket, what is he saying? And he's saying it with so much conviction. And the moment Tiger Pataudi came out to bat and Salim Durrani went to bowl, he said, that ball, he gave so much rip. You can hear the audio. I will try and get Trisha to play out the audio for you one day. He gave it so much rip. The ball pitched, turned, edge, slip, gone. At the end of that over, he showed his, and Vishy sir said that the skin had peeled off. He had given it that much rip, Salim Durrani, to get that particular wicket. Incredible talent. Not well at this point in time. Unbelievable. And these are stories when you think back to that 1971. That's why I want the history at the Ageas Bowl, because the 50 years has to come together. And what great scenes there will be. I mean, once the Indian team wins, fantastic. Yes, no crowds, but so what? 1 billion people back home will be celebrating if Virat and his team wins. And hopefully the aggression that I talked about will help the Indian team